Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial today we'll see how to install CocoaPod in new Mac M3 system. So generally CocoaPod is a very powerful dependency tool. So command to install CocoaPod is like we'll be using sudo gem install CocoaPods. So now it's asking for password. I'm giving my password. It will try to install. Okay. Now CocoaPod is getting installed. So I'll be using it mostly for running iOS app. So now you can see it is giving some error. So what is the error? It is telling support your Ruby and try installing with sudo gem install like this version. So there is a version mispass, so it is asking sudo gem install drb, then running the current command again. So he's asking to run this sudo there is a Ruby gem version mismatch, so I is asking for this. So I have installed this. Then it will take few seconds. Now it is getting installed. Now after that it asks to install the CocoaPod. Now we are trying to install the CocoaPod now. Now it will take few seconds. CocoaPods, come on. Yeah, still it is giving some error. So we tried installing it is asking another dependency. This one is asking gem install active support it needed. So these are a few dependency it will keep on asking, so you need to install this. So then we install gem install active support -b 6.1.7.8. it will take few seconds. Then again we'll try after that sudo gem then we'll try installing it with okay. Now executing. It is some error. You don't. Okay, it's asking for a permission. So we'll give in sudo access. Sudo can give with sudo access. Then it will start to install now. Now active support is getting installed. Come on. Now it is installed. Now let's run our old command. Sudo gem install CocoaPod. Now go back to our old things. Okay, it is installing CocoaPod. Now let's see which dependency it is asking to be get installed. I hope it will not ask this time. Yeah, perfect. Now this CocoaPod is installed. Now I can start that iOS development. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in another video. If this video has helped you, please subscribe to my channel.